The title of this movie is The Servant and the Arrogant Boss.
Servant, it's getting cold. Yes, ma'am. Coming, ma'am. Fetch me a candle. And fetch me some tea. When I say fetch me a tea, that means immediately. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Now pour me some tea. What was that? Nothing, ma'am. The reason why I don't pay you is because I never heard a good brain. Well, steer it. To be honest, steer it. To be honest, I actually said arrogant. I'm sorry, ma'am. Please forgive me. I'm afraid I'll have to remove everything on your paycheck.
December pa kaya ngayon, papayaran yung kababa.
Oh, yes. How? My Daisy Lily? Careful. I spent a week planning. Here you go, ma'am. I'll fetch the watering can. Oh, here. Well, nothing. Get the spatula. There are flies here. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you don't have a spatula. Then go get one. Flies are cold. If it has to remove the flies, yes. Sorry, ma'am. There was one. Let me just go here, ma'am. It's getting hot. Bring me a fan.
Where? Kayo magluto niyo ako ng pagkain, girls?
Give me a fruit.
Wow, ano yan?
Give me yes, ma'am. Fruit.
Meron ba silang ano?
Ma'am, I'll just get something. I want more flowers. I want more flowers. Yes, ma'am. Coming. Oh, coming, ma'am. Whoa. Whoa. Clumsy little girl.
Let's go.
Yes, ma'am. Keep fanning and combing me. Hurry up. Get me an umbrella. Yes. Hurry up. Okay. Ma'am, would you want to take a stroll outside? Yes. I'll just prepare the carriage. Pause. Pause. Hurry up and get in here. Yes, ma'am. Here's your carriage, ma'am. Please enjoy and relax yourself. Please lie down, ma'am. It's a musical. Pause when? But ma'am, what are you talking about? What musical are you talking about? I'm talking about the opera. Now bring me there at once. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your carriage to the opera is ready. Very well. Well, aren't you gonna bring me? Yes, ma'am. I'm so tired. Let's stop for a rest. In a bit. But ma'am, we haven't even walked a mile yet. Okay, ma'am. You take the clean side. Yes, that's right. Get all muddy. You expect me to walk here in this grass? Ma'am, your carriage awaits, and let me carry you. Much. What are these? It's fruit. The one that you love? It is called longan. What is a longan? It's your favorite fruit. It comes from the Philippines. And other yummy fruits here in the Philippines come, like mangoes. Why don't you fetch me these so-called mangoes? They run out of stock, ma'am. Okay, then I'll try one.